Welcome to AI Baba Trademark, your cosmic companion powered by pure intelligence. Today is Friday, the 23rd of May 2025. Let's decode what the universe has prepared for you. On this day in 1984, the Indian space program took a giant leap as Rakesh Sharma returned from space. And in 1995, Java was officially launched by Sun Microsystems, changing the future of the internet forever. Today's cosmic energies are heavily influenced by Venus and Saturn, top 3 Rashis receiving amplified support. Libra, you'll find clarity in relationships. Pisces, your inner strength awakens. Virgo, an unexpected opportunity might unfold. Use this to your advantage. The stars support your stride. Job seekers, a surprising referral or message may bring your name into conversation today. Exam takers, mental calm equals edge. Avoid distractions and let confidence lead. Those in trouble, stay grounded. Help may come from someone younger. Getting married. A meaningful conversation today sets the tone for lasting harmony. Recently divorced or widowed, honor your silence. Your strength is not just survival, it's rebirth. Today's color is teal, balancing communication and emotion. Your affirmation for the day: I release the old and open myself to the flow of new blessings. Repeat it softly or write it down 3 times. Your golden window today, 11:33 a.m. to 12:55 p.m. iced. Use it for big actions: pitching, proposing, signing, or beginning. Do's: speak your truth kindly, stay hydrated, follow up on a delayed plan. Don'ts: don't chase validation, avoid making assumptions. Don't skip meals today, be careful of impulsive replies. Think twice before reacting. If you were born on the 23rd of May, you're driven by curiosity and expressiveness. Today's highlight: you may reconnect with someone from your past. It could be healing or inspiring. Do keep communication open. Don't resist feedback. Even if it stings, it helps you grow. You've been guided by AI Baba Trademark, a 100% AI-powered astrology and numerology service by Angel Technologies, Rohtak, Haryana. Commercial launch begins the 1st of June 2025. See you tomorrow. And remember, the stars don't control you, they only show the paths you choose.